Good morning, everyone. Behalf of Pramila Memorial Institute, I, Shreyushi Shah of Class 10B, is about to speak a few words on the Earth Day.
Earth Day, as the name goes, commemorates Earth's unique place in the universe. The first Earth Day was conceived by Senator Gaylord Nelson as an environmental teach-in on April 22, 1970. Celebrating Earth Day reminds us about Mother Earth and educates the public on issues of concern, mobilizes political will and resources to address global problems, and celebrates and reinforces achievements of humanity. On January 28, 1969, a well being drilled by Union Oil Platform A of the coast of Santa Barbara, California, blew out. More than 3 million gallons of oil spilled over, killing over 10,000 seabirds, dolphins, seals, and sea lions. As a reaction to this disaster, activists were mobilized to create environmental regulations, and the day that we today know as the Earth Day came into being. Earth Day reminds us of the many problems on Earth, such as increased global warming, changing weather patterns, and depleting resources. People also have been witnessing shortage of food, and terrestrial biodiversity is influenced by the climate variability caused from increasing global warming. The theme of Earth Day 2020 was climate action in honor of worldwide efforts to halt global warming. It was celebrated along with the Great Global Cleanup Day, a day dedicated to removing trash from green spaces. On honor of Earth Day, I would like to remind ourselves about the catastrophic effects of global warming on sea level, polar regions, and mountain cryosphere. As glaciers melt and snow cover shrinks, cold and snow-adapted species decrease and risk eventual extinction. Sea level is currently rising more than twice as fast and will further accelerate to dangerous levels in 2100 if emissions are not sharply reduced. Many low-lying coastal cities and small islands will be exposed to risks of flooding and will experience land loss annually by 2050. Climate change is expected to increase more, resulting in increased arid areas, increase in temperature, and decrease in precipitation that will impact vegetation, livestock, and people heavily. Climate crisis was fueling extreme weather when unprecedented wildfires engulfed parts of the Arctic last summer. Moreover, wildfires in Australia burnt approximately 191,000 hectares of land and killed about 800 million animals in just 79 days. Deadlier heat waves keep on hitting India and Pakistan. In 2019, more than 184 people died in the state of Bihar due to heat waves. According to Climate Risk Index, India is the 14th most climate change affected country in the world. Climate change affects human health, food and agricultural security, political and economic stability, and governance. We are all aware of the deadly coronavirus. Although the effects of coronavirus is more immediate, it's doing the same thing. Then why are we not treating climate crisis with the same urgency as coronavirus? Are we going to get enough people to understand the gravity of the problem before the effects become more devastating and possibly not reversible? That's why on this Earth Day, let's try our best to save the Earth before the catastrophic effects become permanent. Every small action matters. Every tree planted matters. Let's promote harmony with nature and Earth because the time for action is now or never. Thank you. I hope you have a nice day.